just teens. Looking for success, enough for the stress. We just wanna be blessed, we just teens. Looking for success, enough for the stress. We just wanna be blessed, we just teens. Looking for success, enough for the stress. We just wanna be blessed, we just teens. Looking for success, enough for the stress. We just wanna be blessed.
My rhymes can encourage you if nobody heard of you. It's about you, what you want, one or two. Peace combo, how about you listen to the song? No, now everybody bought their paper, boy. Trying to get you to throw your paper like a paper boy. I'm not just word serving, swerving your head. And I give you a piece of my mind, you've been disorderly disturbed. So you heard, we're a class of intelligent people without the nerds. And we don't want no parts of sweet tarts. You could do what you want like free park. And don't let anything get out of sight. Or all the issues in a row will squeeze you tight to the point where you wanna fight and break your windpipe. And ain't nobody strong enough to do what I do. And now I'm at the top, still strong with my scab view. And now my crew going in like a drive-through, setting things aside, not worrying like sad news. And now my crew going in like a drive-through, setting things aside, not worrying like sad news.
I'm old school, everybody know me. I'm Chi-Town, so I rip the steel crown straight from the steel ground. I ain't from a small town, my homie stay down every time that I'm around. I wish society could be just like me, but society, they just really don't like me. Don't bite me, I thought I was right into a hype beat. I'm just simply dropping beats like the rhyme beat.
So, is this is what it come to? Guess it's everybody running, guess I gotta run to. But who you gon' run to when you got nobody to come to? And third question, should you ever hold a gun to? That bang, pow, that onomatopoeia, that run them down the block just so everybody's here. Then you try to build your life like you living in IKEA. Then you look at your past like you have no idea.
It's crazy, these misperceptions. Yeah, I'm on my phone, but don't mean I'm texting. Life lesson, quit stressing, you got the wrong conception. You got a problem, then get to stepping. Get up in my pixel zone like you in my space. I'm out here trying to win this race. This is a disgrace, my life is a stencil that I really need to chase.
We go to school, it might be cool. No one thinks it's cool when we act a fool. I don't like the kids who are cool. I like the ones who follow the rules. If kids would learn to write, they wouldn't fight. I wish they would just stop the fight. Am I right? The friendship was very tight. It turned into thin ice.
If rapping was a sport, you know I'd be the captain. You should already know I'm the king of this rapping. I'm living the life of a teen, this is my dream. I'm going hard, they saw how it pays off. I'm not taking no days off. I see my mama struggle, I'm just trying to fix the pieces to the puzzle. I'm playing this thing like puzzle, you know I stand my tough. I'm just a young boy trying to shine, I'm on my grind. You know money is time, I'm holding on to my dreams like a lifeline. These scenes quick to pick up a gun and fire, but breaking on hearts that they admire, crushing the souls that they desire. I walk around my neighborhood seeing people doing nothing with their life. I think it's so trite. I think they need to grow up and get off the corner slinging these rocks in a life for a dog. They say teens is the ages that make you or break you. You just gotta keep your head up till them haters get fed up. People always say, oh, you'll be just fine, but sometimes I feel like the world's falling behind.
Laying on a couch just watching some TV. Now close your mouth because you're beginning to mislead me. You see, not all teenagers are the same. No, we're not sane, but it's all just a game. There's more than meets the eye, but you won't take that much time to get to know us. We're not what you label us. Don't get me wrong, we still go through stress. It ain't easy going through life's tests.
We get fashion and friends, some will stay to the end. Some go to school just to act cool, but they're lame. And when they take a drive, I'm telling you, it's a shame. Some smart teens stay away from Facebook, and they don't care how they really look. Like I said, it's a teenage life. Some people get jobs to get through life.
Every time I wake up, I have the same dream. That one day, I'm gonna be on the Steelers team. Black and gold everywhere, call it the Steelers thing. But first, you gotta good grades. I'm not talking about F's, I'm talking about A's. I'ma get mad money like Billy Mays. And you gonna be stressing and growing grades. Because your career's not the part like Lay's.
Phone stay buzzing, I caught it off the hook. Worry more about the face, but forget about the books. Moving page to page when I'm starting a new chapter. People stuck on now, but forget what happens after. Running to school like a treadmill. Wearing so much Jordan like the treadmill. Single mom and a single dad, watching all the other kids and stuff we wish we had. We live in an era of smartphones and dumb people. You live life like a movie, just remember life don't got a sequel. Drake calls it yellow, I just call it life. I'm balling so hard, you could call me Mike. Everybody told me that I needed to be tight, so I'm ending it, leaving you outside.
I might like to take my chances, but at least I'm not giving stupid answers. I say these words to support my teenage madness. I might wanna go and lay on a mattress, working hard, just gotta fight these matches. Just like Megatron making all my catches. But when I try to say this, they think that I'm crazy. So I'm thinking they're too lazy, so I'm not letting it faze me.
When you become a teen, around 13, you become less interested in certain things, like that one cartoon called 16. Since 2009, that show has not been seen. Some things can be really mean and some need to use some oil sheen. I'm not trying to sound like a hypocrite. I'm telling the truth, so don't try to throw a fit. That's all I got to say, that's it.
In the present, all I ever do is think about tomorrow. Never look back on the past. I'm trying to grow, trying to live a dream. Overcome my mistakes. To succeed, I'll do anything it takes. Talking back, it's just behind me. Climbing to the top, just come and find me. Music keeps my dreams going, just like springs, I keep on flowing.
Back in the day, we used to live life like I'm on strike. I like nights, I like kites, playing people like I'm like Mike. She gon' strike, cause every time I try to get right, it gets wrong, cause this word I don't belong. I'm sick of being strong, I feel bad for my mom. She got karma, never tried to harm her like a farmer. Spent the whole summer working harder, but ain't a baller, but I can call her. I'm getting stronger, no longer in the face of the devils. But these rebels, he come my neck like a toothpick. The road is split in half, it's like half of me, but the century is ended. I never depend on the fake friend I unfriended. Most of them like frickin' Roosevelt. How am I supposed to feel when I see I'm gonna kill everybody, every sight in sight?
Looking for success, enough for the stress. We just wanna be blessed. We just teens. Looking for success, enough for the stress. We just wanna be blessed. We just teens. Looking for success, enough for the stress. We just wanna be blessed. We just teens. Looking for success, enough for the stress. We just wanna be blessed.